What you got going on today?
Nothing, bro. I'm at work and I gotta drive to Orlando just to eat Thanksgiving dinner and then drive back up here the same day because I have work on Friday.
Me too.
Driving further than I am because he's insane. I'm driving 4 hours. He's driving like 11 hours.
I don't know. Who's mounting them?
Super lightweight, super forged wheel. No way he got TE37s. That is wild.
Do you think you can mount those?
I mean,
Oh my god.
I'm gonna need the cheetah. Yeah. Do you see that?
That's light work to me. I could do that in like 10 minutes.
Yo, I bet you 10 bucks right now. It'll take you long.
Nah, you got that.
No.
These are 10 wide, 225. No way.
225s on a 10 wide is like you're asking to have a pop. You're asking to have that shit blow out.
These things are wide.
God damn! My whole palm is still ain't even the length of that fucking tire. What are these? Are these also 225?
Does he have inside wheel wells?
245.
No.
Oh no, those things are probably gone.
Oh, are they?
That's how you get it to tuck like that.
So, 2 years ago when it had all the stickers on it and everything?
I
Yeah.
remember that. That's how I met him, bro.
Yeah, this car 2 years ago, I'm gonna put it on the screen.
I never knew him otherwise.
Jamal, you think you can mount these?
I know he's looking at it trying to think.
What you think?
Shit, bro.
Nah,
Nah, you're not even gonna try?
I can try, but
What if you
nah.
scratch that?
Nah, I can't do it, man. What's this white guy right here?
You got that?
I think I can do it, but I'm gonna need help to get it to seat. Taking it on and taking it off, I feel like that I can figure that out. Get it.
Give me conflicting material, girl. Give me one night, I can show you the world. Hit all your buttons with no strings attached. Make you wanna run it back. Whoa. Be my addiction material, girl. Wrap around my finger like diamonds and pearls. Hit all your buttons with no strings attached. Make you wanna run it back.
He doesn't know what he's doing.
No, he's struggling? No way he's struggling.
No way, he said I would know what I'm doing as well.
Ah.
Bye, I'm going to work.
I do have a question. Why'd you bail on my boy?
Bro,
No way, yeah, we gotta get that, in fact, on his ass.
okay, so.
What happened?
Nah, he had dinner. He had dinner planned.
Dinner's pretty fire. Bro, you gotta whip my ass in this fishing competition. Everybody's saying you finna, I wanna see you do it. No way. The only thing that I have to prove is to everybody else, because they said that you're gonna beat my ass in fishing. And I feel like...
It's literally Jake Paul versus Mike Tyson.
No, you know what's crazy? You know what's crazy?
Outcome.
Jake won.
Well,
He got paid to win.
Jake won. You
He
know
got
what I'm
paid.
saying?
He got
problem
paid to
is,
win.
I want to box Tony.
Brandon says he can take you.
Bro, I wanna see... Yes, bro.
I
You
would
should hear
fade-
how that would be
I would
talking.
fade up Brandon.
He said, he said word for word before, he said no glove. Like he said fuck the glove and I straight faded. And we were all sitting here thinking like, you're gonna get your ass beat on camera now. Like it's,
I mean, I don't know. He's got muscle mass, but
Who you got in that? Who you got in that battle, Luke or Brandon?
Got Luke.
I got Luke. What about you?
I think y'all just.
I think I also got Luke.
What'd he say?
He think we just said it because he right here.
Nah, cause I'm gonna keep it a buck with you, bro. Like, we've gone to the gym with Brandon a few times, and the thing is that he has like the execution or whatever,
I think
but
he's
it's
got
always.
the strength, but not the form. Like he doesn't know how
Bro,
to.
word for word what I was about to say. He has like the strength, but he has no endurance. Not no endurance. He has not as good endurance as he claims, and he also is terrible on form.
I just think he has no coordination. I think I have
Bro.
better coordination.
Probably. I think that if you saw him try to fight, bro, he probably really wouldn't even like know what to do with his hand. Yeah.
Anyways, Michael gave me this K&N bandana.
Oh.
Look who it's signed by. You see it?
Oh
Keep
yeah.
the Nofa. If you don't know who that is, pretty cool. I'm gonna put this in like a little frame and like hang it up somewhere.
That's kind of raw. I'm fucking with it. Type shit.